Yo, what's happening? It's your dog, man. Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't Man himself. Back up in here with another one of them things. And is that a mosquito? Man, I'm getting off work. I'm about to run to the house. About to scoop ash. And we about to go and do something together that we haven't done in about, well, it's really not even the same, but we about to do it. We ain't done this in like 4-5 years. So I don't know if y'all remember when me and Duty went to that open house, reviewed those $1 million houses. These are not quite $1 million houses. Like, they are, I think one of them was 600,000 and the other one was, I think they were close, but this wasn't. I think they were like 600, maybe 7. I think it was 7. But yeah, man, it's an open house, so I'm about to go and take ash, man, and we about to go get a change of scenery, man. We're finna go and look. We're finna go to the open house, check out these houses, man, and because she's been watching a lot of like HGTV with the house swaps and the interior decorating and tearing out walls and doing this and doing that and doing the floors and tearing up the floors and all that right there. So she didn't get to go to the open house with us because she was at work last time. So now she's not at work and I'm getting off. So that works out perfectly. I didn't even tell her where we was going, so she don't know where we're going. So yeah, when we pull up, she probably gonna be like, what is going on here? So yeah, we'll get a shine of scenery real quick, man. We're gonna check out these houses, man. It's kind of motivational to me. It's kind of motivational, just, you know what I'm saying, just to see a house to where, like, hey, I want to live in something like this. So yeah, let me shoot on to the crib, get myself changed, and yeah, get on this journey before we got to go and pick these kids up. Yeah. Yo, so we got to the first house and this is it. And it says open house is a car in the yard, but I rung the doorbell, nobody came to the door, so I don't know how that works. So I guess, sheesh. to the next one. Let's see.
It's another one?
Yeah. So I don't want to waste no time. Let's see how far this is. Hold on. So yeah, these are two right here that are open houses that we want, that I want to look at, that I want her to see. It's an open house down there too. It might be the other one down there, cause I don't see addresses on them.
Say open house?
They don't say open house. Let me see. Cause it said this one was it.
Back it out.
Definitely not.
That's driveway.
Definitely. Let me see what we got here. It's locked. What? What's wrong?
No.
Oh, you like that? That one locked. What is going on here? Okay.
Don't you supposed to put a clothing?
They don't. No. They ain't give you no code.
There's an open house down there now.
I don't know if this. Yeah. I don't know if this. That's what I said. That's what I'm looking at. And I ain't got no reception. You like that? I like it too. This one here says open house, y'all, as well. I hate them damn things. Crown Realty. What this say? Take one. Just take one. How you do it? God, I'm so dumb. I'm trying to take it from the bottom. Alright, y'all, hit y'all if we get inside. Well, we didn't get in that one. Let's walk down to this other one down here. Just see if it's open. I don't remember you having to schedule these. What? Yeah, I don't remember you having to schedule these. I'm not sure. Because they usually have. Huh?
Wasting my gas.
Wasting your gas? I'm the one that put gas in your car.
Still wasting.
Yeah. I don't know what that one is. Let's see. They got one of these? Yeah. This is 4904. this is different from when I went and did the other ones because they were just open. So I'm not sure what's going on here. Is there a laundry room over there? It's probably what that was at the other house. The reason why I didn't have a window. Hey, look. I guess the open house. Where? Them daddy long legs. Yeah, this is weird. But I guess. What, baby? Cause I usually have, like, these ain't even furnished. They usually have the furnished models that you can go in and see. I don't know. But so almost but no cigar, man. We ain't get to go in the open houses, but we do got the floor plans though. So I guess you can look at those. I really wish she had been right, whoop-de-doo. Wish she had been able to go inside the house, but it's crazy. Like, why would you list the open house and it's not even an open house? But anyway, alright, let's go back to the car, see what else we can do before we gotta go get these kids. Bummer.
Go home.
Huh?
Say go home.
Yeah, we gotta go home when we get the kids. We out without the kids, like, this is a thing. The woods right there. It's definitely no backyard though.
That's the thing.
Hell yeah. I'll never get to do nothing with them kids. Never. I want them by myself?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Ain't that something? That joint right there hard too. Straight down there, like behind your car, where that black truck at. I like that white and black though. Look at that motherfucker though. Open house, that one. Let me see that. Drive up in there. They got shops in the back. Yeah, so we almost had one, and it was in the same neighborhood that me and Duty went to the house at. But she said, unfortunately, their fall hours closed at 5, and I got there at 5:05. So I was like 5 minutes late, I ain't know. But that house was 1.985. 1.9 million. Almost 2. So, yeah. But I definitely want to get you in an open house. Like, I want to get you like inside of $1 million house. What you mean for what?
Like going in with fucking cry with my lady.
Yeah. That's the whole thing. Like, I'm sure you ain't the only one that went in $1 million house and was like, man, I wish I had this. Shit. There's a lot of shit we see every day, so we wish we had. That's the whole purpose. That's the whole whole purpose of that for me. You know what I'm saying? To go to an open house and be like, just looking around like, damn, so this is what it feel like being in $1 million house. Like this what the inside of $1 million house look like. I don't do it to just say, hey, I was in $1 million house. Hell no, I'm really trying to get there. You know what I'm saying? $1 million house. Shit, from there, you know what I'm saying? If you decide to, yeah, you can constantly move up. Like shit, we can get a $2, $3, $4, $5 million house. You know what I'm saying? Now we got that amount of real estate under our belt. Cause you know you getting $1 million house, you ain't gonna keep it as that. You know what I'm saying? You gonna get in that motherfucker be interior design and doing all kind of stuff, putting equity in that joint. You gonna be doing that. Why? How? So you just telling me that you gonna move in a space and leave it the way it is when you first got there? Oh, okay. Alright. I guess I'm the dumbass. I'm the dumbass for believing this shit. That ain't even how you operate. What that was. But yeah. We gotta go and pick up the kiddos, man. Sunset. Man, I got music playing. I ain't paying no attention. I know that's all in the video.
I know.
Hey, Mary J. Blige.
That was hot.
Oh, well, look at that Mach 1 Mustang. Boy got him a vert Mach 1. But yeah, man, we finna slide on over here and pick these kids up, man. We already feel like we late because it's dark outside at 5 o'clock. It's gonna take some getting used to. But yeah, it's your dog, man. Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't It Man himself. Catch y'all in the next one.